Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and this is my PM recap of the Euro Dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, the euro dollar overall, it's a little bit of a slow day. Now, we did have a break of structure to the upside today. We did have a pretty impulsive move up in the London session. Since then, it's definitely been pulling back pretty good. Now, the question is this move down right here a correction to this move up? If I was trading below the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely throw my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, and I would definitely be looking to see if it makes a higher low and makes a push up. I think is what's going on here is that flat pattern that we were potentially looking at, which we were thinking was potentially like an ABC correction, like a flat, like an expanding flat. I think that has more likely failed, and more than likely the U.S. dollar is actually in a correction to the move down. So that means this is probably going to go up and make some sort of a correction also, and that this is probably more likely going to end up doing something like this for like some sort of a wave B or possibly a wave 2, probably more likely a wave B, and then potentially go back down for a wave C. So I think that this is more likely the wave A and that this is a wave B, and we're probably going to get another push down for wave C. I don't really think I'd be too interested in the longs because I do definitely see the possibility that this does keep on going down. So definitely be aware that the trend on the 1 hour time frame, I would argue, is still down because I don't really think I trust this break of structure as being a true break. And even if it is a true break, it's probably just an ABC correction to the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.